it's Friday, and you know what that means. It's time for another proposal review. This one comes from Audrey, and it reads, Dear client, I am writing to express my interest in the lead generation virtual assistant position that you have posted. I have a strong background in data entry, web research, and lead generation, making me an ideal candidate for this position. As a virtual assistant with over 3 years of experience, wow, I have developed excellent research and data entry skills that will be instrumental in generating high-quality leads for your business. I'm familiar with search engines, directories, and social media platforms, which will enable me to gather accurate and up-to-date contact information for potential leads, including company name, phone number, and email. That was long-winded. My proficiency in Microsoft Excel and other productivity tools will ensure that all the data is accurately recorded and organized in an Excel spreadsheet for easy upload into your CRM system. I have great experience using many CRM platforms like Zoho, ConnectType, HubSpot, etc. I'm also a strong communicator and able to provide regular updates on progress and discuss any challenges or opportunities that may arise. I'm a self-starter who is highly motivated, responsible, and has a strong attention to detail. I am confident that I can meet your expectations and exceed your requirements for this position. Thank you for considering my application. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with you and help expand your business by generating high-quality leads. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have further questions or if you'd like to discuss my qualifications in more detail. Best regards, Audrey. So Audrey, I gotta say, this proposal is very professional, so props to you on that. Maybe a bit too professional. That's personal preference though. I like to keep my proposals more casual, but if you're a professional person, I mean, I'm professional, but whatever. It's your tone and voice, so if that reflects how you like to speak, totally do it. I guess my point here is do not try to be overly professional just because it's a work setting, because I feel like freelancing can be a bit more chill than the typical work environment, but let me know in the comments if you agree with that. Again, might be just me, but in my opinion, the key thing here is that it's just too long. As you can tell, I kind of got out of breath at some points. It was too long to read, and I mean, as a client who, once again, I keep telling this, clients are busy, I probably would have signed off halfway through, I gotta be honest. I would definitely, in your case, you do have some very good selling points here. So I would lead with the selling point that, in my opinion, is that you'll help them generate leads for their business. Maybe follow that up with the 3 years of experience. I think that's definitely valuable. And maybe mention how you actually generated some of those leads in the past. Back that up with stats if you can. But my rework proposal, in case you wanna change it up in the future, is, hey, client's name, let's generate high quality leads for your business. I have 3 years of experience as a virtual assistant, having helped clients generate leads in the past by doing X, Y, and Z. Obviously change it to fit what you've done before, and having gotten them results like insert stat here. My proficiency in Excel will ensure that all lead data is accurately recorded and organized, and I'll be sure to keep you up to date at all stages of our project. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Honestly, this is probably even longer than my typical proposals. I'm not even joking. My proposals usually look like this, and they're teeny tiny, but they also include a video, so I guess that lengthens them a little bit and includes some more meat. But this is certainly a great start for you, and I think with some tweaks, some little tweaks, and compressing you have a great proposal in your hand and a great chance at getting clients. If you want your proposal reviewed on a future video, I'll have the link down below as always to a form where you can submit yours to be reviewed right here on the channel for free. In the meantime, check out this other proposal I did and I'll see you there.